Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by inspecting the earring closely. You want to identify whether the hinge, spring, or pad is broken. Use a magnifier and lay the pair on a towel so parts don't roll away. Once you spot a loose screw or bent clip, pick up needle nose pliers and a tiny screwdriver. Start with the least invasive fix. Tighten screws gently, straighten bends slowly. This preserves plating and stones, so you avoid snapping brittle components while you make the first corrective moves. Next, focus on the hinge and spring mechanism because they control closure and grip. If a screw is loose, hold the hinge with pliers and turn the screw a quarter turn. If missing, swap in a tiny watch screw. For a bent clip, make incremental adjustments, small bends, so you don't overstress the metal. If the spring lost tension, compress and reform it carefully. Once done, reattach or glue cushioning pads and let glued parts set while you test the motion repeatedly to ensure smooth action. Finish by testing fit on your earlobe. You want a secure hold, not pain. If the earring is loose, add a thin silicone pad or gently compress the clip arms a hair to increase pressure. If it's stiff or squeaky, clean the pivot with a cotton swab and apply a single tiny drop of sewing machine oil. Move it open and closed until fluid spreads. Troubleshooting tip: if metal cracks or the spring is irreparably damaged, replace the mechanism or consult a jeweler to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.